And James is gonna be.
Alright, let's carry on then.
I actually ended up as a robot.
Oh, yeah, you did. Wow.
Oh, I feel sorry for everyone who actually starts listening to this commentary.
Why?
Because as soon as it started, you just hear James cough dead fucking loud.
You can
James.
cut that bit out.
Yeah,
Hello.
I suppose.
I don't remember anything. What's with all the triangles?
I have no idea.
Oh shit.
How long's it been?
Long.
When?
Uh,
What am I ready to do?
Oh, okay, that shoots. Oh crap, that's me rhino. I don't want that. Right.
Guys,
Yeah.
leave this up.
Oh.
Oops. I'm dead already.
Chris, we haven't even been playing for a minute. A minute, Chris.
Yeah.
Is there any new weapons?
Yeah.
Well, there's no point me checking. I'm on about you guys.
Yeah, Thunder Smack.
Yeah, it's quite a bad weapon, that is.
Yeah.
Oh, check your main, like, special weapons. Chris, you're the slow-mo. James, you're the shield.
There's so
no.
many blasts.
Yeah, coming soon. Because you need the upgrades for them, don't you? For the trophies.
Okay, the bottoms are weird.
I know, it's going to take a bit of getting used to.
Because your shoes. What?
Damn it.
I think I'm ready.
I'm not.
We're getting shot into that.
Yeah.
Oh,
how
right, we've got a turn.
Yeah.
Oops.
I don't think we're going to make it.
We're going up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to make it.
I think we made it.
It was nice knowing you guys.
It's nice
Oh, yeah,
always to
whoa.
stick together.
Yeah.
It's a something.
I like how Chris is just getting further and further out.
Slow mo.
Alright, what do we got?
Okay,
This way,
that's
James. That's a checkpoint. No, I was actually just about to walk across that then. Shoot me.
Oh.
Just triangle to me, James.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Right.
It's so hard to ape this. Oh, what did I
How
do?
do we shoot?
R1.
Oh yeah.
Triangle. No. Don't shoot me.
Yeah.
Just shoot me,
You're not gonna make it.
Just shoot me.
Yeah. I got
You were sane.
Oh, there's a.
Yeah.
I couldn't see that.
Why the fuck have I got a rocket launcher on? Where am I? Oh.
Oh, this game auto locks.
Yeah. Hold L1 to strafe.
I'm using a drill or something.
Eh? Oh, you're using that gel gadget, Chris, not a weapon.
Yeah. Okay. No.
Someone shoot this with me.
I'm shooting it.
Got hit.
Use your comm blaster, Chris.
Yeah, there it is. Okay, I got it now.
Nice.
Yeah.
We're still alive for now. We're
Thank
getting
God.
somewhere. Oh, I hate this bit.
Huh?
Yeah, hang on, come back up. Go.
What? Back up. Go.
Triangle, Chris, triangle!
Oh shit.
Triangle!
Wrong guy. Yeah.
Come on,
There we
guys,
go.
this way. Oh, bye, Chris. Oh shit, I almost ran off the edge. Oh,
Oh yeah.
James, double points here. Right.
Fat guy go first.
You beat our shield,
Alright, I got
James.
this. Oh shit. So what do oh, we went for that thing.
Yeah.
Oh, not at all.
I forgot just how much fun this was.
Aha! stealing stuff.
Jump in.
I don't think we need to, do we? Oh,
Lols.
what the fuck?
I don't know. Crap.
What the hell
Hit the
happened?
button, Chris. Oh, you motherfucker. Don't jump, don't jump. Quick rest, guys. Jumping square. James.
Poxy fan.
Bye, Chris.
Oh, come on! Try to go without me.
Well, you know.
Shut up.
Okay,
Then they're going bad.
we need that gel thing.
Who's using the wrong weapon?
Chris.
What?
Well, I'm using the rocket launcher now as well.
Yeah, rocket launcher for.
What's with the slow-mo?
I don't know.
Can I?
Right, now we have to use that gel weapon. Make it come
I
down.
don't even remember how to change
Come on,
weapon.
I had
Yeah,
that.
don't
What
worry.
did I do?
R2. James, R2 and square.
Yeah.
And on this one,
What? What the fuck did I just do?
you broke it. You threw your wrench. And you change your weapons with the right analog stick. Is there any more? No, that's it. I think the place starts collapsing on us now, by the way.
Oh, great.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Destroy charging dock. Okay. So now I guess it's
Right, you see how they're extremely blue? Stay off them when they're like that.
because they're electric.
Well, yeah, pretty much.
Lightning.
Whoops.
Yeah, that was silly.
Whee! No idea what I'm doing right here. Ah, someone's got to go over there. Hang on, someone jump in.
I'm in.
Yeah.
Come on then.
Oh. Oh, that's Chris. Right, James, stop,
Nice
stop, stop,
aim.
James. Right, James, you come off there.
What the?
Okay, never mind.
You actually trying to kill me?
No, I was supposed to drag it along with you, but you came a bit too soon. Oh god. No! No! Chris!
Who cares?
Oh my days, Chris! I spawned and almost died then. Bye guys.
Can't get rid of me that easy.
As much as we try.
What am I looking onto? Oh, this guy's. What the? I'm shooting backwards.
Yeah.
Ow. He hit me.
Is he ever gonna? There we go.
Yeah, screw it.
It pushed me
I'll use
off.
a rocket launcher.
Rhino.
Nah, not the Rhino. Electric. Guys, we need to do the blobs.
Uh-oh. Ow, ow, ow.
At least I got that down.
Ow. Come on.
I can't hit it. Ah.
What the? My thing won't hit it.
Yeah, let's bring him back down.
R2 plus square.
I'm doing R2 plus square.
So am I.
It just won't lock on. There we go.
Ow.
Bye, James.
Fuck my life.
Yeah, I think the game agreed
Someone
with
whip
you
me
there.
up.
I don't wanna. I don't have quick revive.
Oh,
Ooh,
I think I'm alive anyway.
Yeah, you are.
It's a boss.
Nah, it's no boss.
Missile menu.
Ooh, music.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's my Rhino. Rhino for the win. Lols.
What's this thing? Oh yeah. Electric.
Right, run, run!
What?
This way! Someone jump in! James!
You
Oh,
missed.
fail. Chris! Square, 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 square!